The Hybeam Flarelight will not only work after being set on fire, it is virtually indestructible. We put the Flarelight's aircraft-grade aluminum case to the test by completely submerging it in water, boiling it in over 200-degree temperatures, freezing it in a solid block of ice, and we even ran over it with this 7,000-pound truck.
Hi, I'm Travis Everett from the Family Protection Association. As you can see, the Hybeam Flarelight is the most durable flashlight that you will ever own. And today, we want to give you one absolutely free.
The Flarelight features a serrated striking bezel, a built-in clip, telescoping lens, and 3 modes: low, high, and strobe. And thanks to its 300 lumen genuine YAG LED bulb, other tactical lights on the market are no match for the Hybeam Flarelight. The Flarelight can be kept on you at all times and is perfect for your EDC, bug out bag, or glove box.
Time is running out on this limited time offer. Click the link and get your Hybeam Flarelight. All we need you to do is cover the cost of shipping and we'll send you a Hybeam Flarelight today.